Oops, I think we're live, right? Yeah. Yeah, guys. So welcome back to Wrector. Hope you guys are doing really well. So today, instead of analyzing a coin, I'm gonna give you guys a strategy that actually works. I've been testing this for the past 3 days. I've taken some live trades. I've also shared them on my channel based on this. So without further ado, this is the strategy. So basically, what we need is three indicators. So one of that includes support and resistance. So if you could do it manually, then you don't need it. Uh, so let's see what are the three indicators. So first we need SR channel, type SR channel over here, get support resistance channel by loan sum. Yeah, let's click on that. So you immediately get the support and resistance identified. So it's better if you could draw support and resistance manually. If not, this saves time. So let's go into the settings. Let's reduce this. I think 6 is too much. Let's reduce the number of lines to probably, I think 6 should be fine, right? Yeah, let's leave it at 6. And then you need the RSI. Open the RSI, the very default one, go into settings. You don't need the moving average on the RSI, so let's untick that. Let's change the upper band line to red. Sorry, let's change the upper band to red. Let's give this a straight line. Let's give this a thicker line, and then the lower band to green. Let's give it a straight line, and let's give it a thicker line, right? So I'm just customizing my colors, so you guys could do as however you want. I like yellow on the middle, so it's much clear, so I'm gonna make it yellow. So the RSI line is yellow, the above line is the 70 line is, which is also acting as resistance, is on red, and then the support line is on green. So then we finally need Fisher, type Fisher, and then under technicals you get Fisher transformation. Let's click on that one. Yeah. So on Fisher, right? So let's see how do you get a trade based on this. So it's very easy, as you can see, it's very straightforward and easy. Whenever the bar reaches, whenever the price action reaches to a support or a resistance or a support, right at so at this very moment, for an example, let's get this area, the bar move upwards to here, it's right on a support. You also see the RSI line is above 70, which is an overbought area. You also see the Fisher line is also an overbought area. You also see a cross in between. You immediately take a short position. Bam, you make profits, right? So just for you guys to make sure to make it sure that it works, I took two signals based on that. One was TLM, which is on running profits 40% right now. So let's go to TLM USDT. So this was taken at probably 0.16 area, which is on the very top. You don't see a what you call a resistance line here, because I took the resistance based on the forward chart. There you go, you see it right here. So it's better that if you can keep on switching on the time frame, so you get multiple resistance based on the time frames. So this is where I took my trade. It was a short trade, so I was on the 15-minute chart. I immediately took a short based on these conditions. You see the Fisher was at the overbought position, and there was a cross. The RSI was at the overbought position, and then the TLM hit the resistance, and then there was a bounce. I immediately took a short, and bam, right now we had profits. And then I also took CELR based on this one. This was at 0.06. So let's go to CELR USDT. Yeah, so the time when I took this was 12:49. So right now it's here. As you guys see, it's 1 o'clock over here. The 1 o'clock over here. So this is when I took it. So we hit a resistance, and then the RSI was oversold. We also do have a cross on the Fisher. I immediately took a short. Bam, and it works. It's that easy. So I would say that you guys to use this this sort of strategy for, it's good on scalping, better than trending markets. I'm not saying it's bad, I'm saying it's just better, right? So yeah, so just to make sure it works, let's get back into some of the past data. uh, let's get a coin that we are all familiar with, probably metaverse. Let's go to sand USDT. Yeah, so right now we are at sand. Let's get off this thing. Oops. Okay. So for example, if you took this area, you see we hit the resistance. The RSI was overbought. The Fisher was overbought, and there is a cross in between, and immediately we fell down. Bam. Got it? It's that easy. So let's look at a buy position, right? So if you look at this very buy position, you don't have a support line over here. So what we are going to do is just to make sure when you're, so you don't see a support line, but what you see is an RSI at the oversold position and the Fisher and a cross at the oversold position. So what you do is you immediately shift time frames and see if you could find a support, and then bam, here you found one, right? So what you do, you immediately take a long. So based on that, if you had taken a long at this position, let's see how much you would have gained on a 20x, right? So let's give this 5% on spot, which is minus 100% on leverage 20. So you would have easily made 240% of profits. Easy, right? So let's get back into a different coin. What do you want to see? Let's get back into Bitcoin. Yeah, yeah. So right now, so yeah, you don't see a resistance over here right now. Let's go into a different time frame and see if we found a resistance. One moment, guys. I need to pause this for a moment. There is an important signal going on. Sorry, guys. I just had to update my positions right now. So as you see right now there was a huge big dump. If you go into 15 minutes, you see this big bang red candle over here. Yeah, so I just had to pause the video for a while just to make sure I update all my positions and profit. Yeah, so where we stopped, we were looking at Bitcoin. So how would have this shown on Bitcoin? So right over here. So let's say you see the RSI on a overbought position. You see a crosses already on the Fisher. So if you had taken a short position on this area, for now, bam, you are instant profits. Woo! So do you see how strategies work? This is how it works. I'm showing you live, right? I just got you something live. I also proved on my channel. I use the signal, as in use the same indicators to show you that this works. So there you go, easy. This is like really easy, right? So let's get back into another short position. You do see here, bam, bam, and a bam. Had you taken a short position, easy money, dollar flowing, guys, dollar flowing, right? So this is like one of the strategies that I put together. Uh, I think I've been working on this for the past 5 days. This is quite accurate. So yeah, for those who don't know, I also conduct classes. So it starts from $1,000. So my objective is to make you a better trader, a skillful trader, and I don't know what, definitely make you print some dollars, give you some, probably share you some of my expertise. So I began trading. If you had watched my first video, I might have clearly told I began crypto trading probably in September 2021, and then I've progressed so much. I've followed a lot of people, gained a lot of, I don't know, knowledge from various different sources, and then it's a collective effort, you know. So yeah, I would like to make you guys profitable as well. So for those who want to learn crypto trading, I'll definitely make you a better trader from where you started within 30 days, right? So I will leave my Telegram, what do you call, link on the description. Contact me if you want to be a better trader. I'll see you guys on the next video. Most likely it's going to be analysis. Woo! I'm out. Over and out.